coming down here.
It is?
Yep. Stay here. Don't go past that yellow line, okay? Yeah, it is.
It's coming all the way over here?
Yep.
Stay back here. Stay back here.
Here.
Jose.
I'll give you half. Dylan.
Jose, get up.
Jose, stay off that yellow line. Stay on the side.
Okay, here comes the train. You got to stay over here. Stay back here, baby.
I heard that coming close. I said,
yeah.
Okay, Daddy, give Daddy his hand. I know he's you know, with Lester's really obedient.
Oh, yes,
but all it takes is once.
Well, yeah. That's right.
Comes.
Especially something he's interested in.
Now, don't forget, when he gets here, you sit there and wait to him and go, nice and loud, hi. I bet he says hi back. Let's see. He's going to be real big. It is.
That loud? Yeah. That was funny.